Hi guys, this is the unboxing of Nokia 6.1, the 2018 version of Nokia 6. This time with Android One program, boosting it to the next level of pure Android. Yeah, since the Nokia skin is also close to pure Android, but this one is much more closer to Google Pixel lineup. It is powered by a Snapdragon 630 processor. It is an octa-core 2.2 GHz processor with Adreno 508 GPU and Bluetooth 5.0 as well. Let's get to the unboxing. Opening up the sleeve, the phone itself shining on top next to a little box. Inside the box, the adapter, which is a fast charger which outputs 5V 2.5 amps, 9V 2 amps and 12V 1.5 amps. Note that even a $1000 iPhone X doesn't come with a fast charger included. The Type-C cable included in the box still has the Nokia standard look. The earphone is the basic one usually comes with Nokia, but the cables look cheaper than the old days. Let's take a look at the phone. As per HMD, it is CNC milled from a solid block of 7000 series aero grade aluminum. The phone is sturdy and has a premium feel in the hand. The chamfered edge with a copper touch, wow. Seriously, it's better to take a look in person than in video. The 2.5D glass is common these days, but using screen protector is always a pain in. But it is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass, but not sure which version they are using. Let's boot up the device. The fingerprint sensor is at the back of the device, well positioned and is fast. As I said before, the phone comes preloaded with Oreo out of the box. For the camera, we got Zeiss Optics 16 megapixel rear shooter and 8 megapixel wide angle camera. A dual camera setup would be great addition, but unfortunately it's not there. But the front camera has a bokeh mode. It is a software gimmick, but in the next update, it seems Nokia would bring the same to the rear camera. These are some sample images from rear. Colors are natural. HDR is good, but not as good as flagships. The camera is capable of shooting 4K 30 frames per second. And there is slow motion video at 720p at 240 fps. Other hardware like the power and volume rockers on the right. And at the bottom there is a single bottom firing speaker and mic. It is 2018, so it is common to have a Type-C port. And at the back next to the camera is a dual tone flash and the fingerprint sensor. Headphone jack on top and SIM card tray is on the left. Hey guys, please share, subscribe and like this video if you like it. Thanks for watching. Peace.